Okay, so sneeze again. Let's do.
Yes. So, hiya.
Back up of me.
Hi, my friend.
I'm fine. What about you? How
I'm
was your
great.
day?
I'm great. I'm hanging in there.
That's good. Hanging in there.
I knew it. I knew you were going to say it. Hanging in there. Meaning, it's been a long day. I'm still in the game. I'm making
Yeah,
it.
yeah, that's good. I was learning a new phrase. They say I was here and there.
Here and there.
Yeah, here and there.
Here and there. Like mentally, it could
Spend
be.
the time in a different places. This is what they mean.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's different meanings.
Yeah,
Like, meaning your brain's here and there, meaning your brain's all over the place, or you had to like go somewhere and you were here and there.
yeah.
Yeah.
I was learning this, and I was learning a word. Unwind. Unwind. This is to be comfortable.
A what?
Unwind. Unwind.
Unwind.
Yeah.
Unwind. To get
Yeah.
comfortable, relax for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And to go to sightseeing. Sightseeing, that means to have a holiday to a country or to a city, and to go to interesting places there.
Or ride down the road and take different roads is sightseeing too.
Yeah. So this is what I learned about. This is interesting vocabulary for the IELTS test. So I
Wow.
do the basics, and I at the same time I do stuffs for the IELTS test, my friend.
I'm impressed. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, my tutor.
Yeah. So, how are things? Other things?
Thanks, our thanks. We will do the. Let me tell you. After this lesson, your dream job. I would like to do this lesson, my friend.
Cooking or your dream job?
Your dream job,
Okay. Yeah, maybe.
maybe.
Okay. So, where do you work? We've already done this.
I think in the basic conversation. Let's do the other thing.
Yeah, we've done this. Which one?
We did it in we did this, but I think it was a different lesson. We did it in the basic conversation.
Yeah. See.
Yeah,
See. This is your job with basic, and
I think it's similar.
it is very similar.
Yeah, let's choose a lesson for me. You are my tutor, and you will choose one.
What? Okay.
Choose for me.
So, since you have 5 kids, we can talk about raising children.
I don't have a kid. We will not do this lesson.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let's do a lesson for the IELTS test
Oh, there's a new English conversation.
for the speaking.
Did you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
There's a new a lesson. There's a new lesson. So eyelets, go to
Let's do it.
eyelets. Okay.
IELTS, yeah, for the IELTS. Let's
Which
do
part?
part one, speaking.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes, yes.
When are you taking the eyelets again?
What?
When are you taking the eyelets again?
I will do it in the next year. when I will be good in English, and when I feel I'm improved and I have a good English for the IELTS test, I will go. There is no a specific time to go to do this test.
No specific date.
Yeah, it's no specific dates.
Okay, so
I didn't learn this word specific. I just it just
specific.
what is the name of this?
Chill
What
out.
do you do now? What?
It's called
Chill
chill
out.
out. Okay?
Chill out. Thank you.
Healthy mind, body,
What?
healthy mind and healthy body.
Healthy this is what do you say when someone chill out?
Chill out, like chill out, relax, lay down, chill out,
No,
Netflix and
I asked
chill.
you. Wait. I
Okay,
asked you. I asked you about what do you do right now? You do
I sneezed.
you sneeze. Yeah, this is what I asked about.
Oh,
Sneeze,
sneezed, yeah. And when somebody
sneeze.
sneezes, you say, bless you.
Clash you when someone
Bless you.
when
Bless you.
yeah. I should to say it to you.
You are supposed to say, bless you.
Bless you, yeah, because
Only to,
in our culture,
not in every culture though.
yeah, we have here in Morocco another saying.
What?
If someone,
Yahya?
if
Yahya?
wait, what's my name? If
Yeah.
if someone sneezed, we say rahimakallah.
And what does that mean?
The God, well, I don't know what is.
The God will bless you.
Yeah, this is what
In some countries,
God will.
it's some countries is offensive if you say bless you. Did you know that?
If what do you say right now? In some culture, what?
In some countries,
What?
uh, hold on, I'm gonna find it for you. In what countries bless you?
You will translate it. I will say it right now.
Okay,
This
so
is what we say. Rahimahullah.
some countries. Did you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
God bless you. That's exactly what it. That is what it.
Yeah,
Uh.
I see it. You are Moroccan.
Oh, okay. I said in some countries,
Yeah.
saying bless you is um what is it called? Offensive, yeah. Like China, Japan, and Korea.
What that mean? When you say bless you, what that mean?
Bless you. It means what you sent me. The
Yeah.
this.
No. Rahimakallah.
Yeah. That means bless you. But
Yes.
in English, we say bless you, or God bless you, or bless you, or God bless, or something. So in
Bless you.
some countries like China, Korea, and Japan, um, they think it's rude if you say bless you.
Why?
I don't know.
This, ah.
You just ignore it.
So,
Uh,
yeah. They don't like it.
yeah, they don't like it. But in Japan, they used to say, "You see death."
You see this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it?
So it's not make you a problem if I say to you bless
No,
you.
because I
Rahimakallah.
that's good for me.
Okay, so sneeze again. Bless you.
Yes. So, all right,
Chill out.
chill out. So, what do you think chill out means? Chill out.
Chill out.
It's
I don't. I
slang.
have no idea about it.
It's
Chill
it's
out.
slang. Do you know what slang is?
Is to be comfortable. This is what they mean. I translate it. Chill
Calm
out.
down. Chill out.
Relax. Relax.
Relax.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Relax. Take it easy.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Crazy person. Okay, yeah. So, what everyday things stress you out?
What everyday things stress you out? I think in my day I haven't a lot of stress.
Mm-hmm.
I spend all of day.
You said you have a lot or
Uh,
not a lot?
I have not a lot
I
stress.
don't have a lot of
Not a lot.
stress.
I don't have a lot of stress in my day. What about you?
Yes. Good. So, me, I don't either.
You don't
I don't
what? You
either.
don't need it. You don't either.
I don't either. Meaning me either. Meaning you don't and I don't.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, me either.
Me either.
That like when you say me too.
Yeah, but you don't say me too. You say me either.
Me
Yeah.
either. Yeah. How you interact with others, with others when you are under a lot of stress.
Ha!
Where where I'm on under when I'm under of a
Interact.
lot of what
How do you interact?
that mean the reaction.
Me.
It's correct to say I interact with the other person when I am under a lot of stress. I be angry with the person.
Yeah. So
I be angry. I don't like to someone talk with me or say me anything when I am in a lot of stress.
yeah. So your interactions with other people are not so good.
Yeah,
Me either.
you
I mean, me
either. That's
too.
good. Yeah,
See, you say
you are not good. You are not good. Not a good person because you be angry
I'm
with
not a
the
good
situation
person.
where you are. And
I'm not a
yeah,
good person. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay,
and that's
passion.
lying, my friend.
You're right.
Yeah,
So, how can stress?
I understand from talk, my friend.
Sorry. So,
I'm sorry to
no,
interrupt
no, no.
you
I apologize.
because you are rude.
How dare you speak to me like that?
How dare
How
you?
dare you speak to me like that? Yeah, yeah.
I'm
You
sorry,
should be
my friend.
ashamed of yourself.
Shame.
You
Wait,
should
wait.
be ashamed. You should be ashamed of yourself.
No.
You should be ashamed.
How dare you tell me?
How dare you? Did you get my message?
Uh, your message now. How you should be ashamed of yourself. Yes, I should.
You are.